Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in a Toyota Highlander. First, find the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side near the firewall. Make sure your engine is running, and the air conditioning is set to maximum cool with the fan on high. This ensures the compressor is engaged and ready to accept the refrigerant. Connect the charging hose from your refrigerant can to this port, ensuring a secure fit. Once connected, slowly add the refrigerant by turning the can upside down and shaking it gently. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge attached to your charging hose. It will show you the current pressure in your AC system. Continue adding refrigerant until the gauge reads within the recommended range for your Highlander. Overcharging can cause more problems than undercharging, so be careful not to add too much. After adding the refrigerant, check the air coming from your vents. It should feel noticeably colder. If it's still not cold enough, you might have a leak or a different issue. Once satisfied, carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure port. Be prepared for a small hiss as you remove it. Finally, ensure you dispose of the empty refrigerant can according to local regulations. If your AC still isn't cooling properly after recharging, you likely have a leak or a more complex issue requiring professional attention. It's also a good idea to check and replace your cabin air filter regularly for optimal airflow and cooling efficiency. Remember, proper maintenance extends the life of your vehicle's AC system. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.